Ever wondered why some people excel in life? Not just because of their IQ, but because of something more? That's emotional intelligence, or EI. Welcome to English Smarties, your go-to channel for learning English while diving into fascinating topics like this one. If you're eager to sharpen your English skills and expand your knowledge, make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to check out the free worksheet in the description, which includes a full transcript and key vocabulary. Emotional intelligence, or EI, is more than just a buzzword. It's the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. Unlike IQ, which measures cognitive abilities, EI involves 5 key components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Mastering these areas helps us navigate both personal and professional challenges with greater ease and success. So, why does emotional intelligence matter? In our personal lives, EI influences our relationships, our ability to make balanced decisions, and even our mental health. Imagine navigating a tough conversation with a friend or staying calm in a high-pressure situation at work. That's EI at play. Professionally, EI is crucial for leadership, teamwork, and overall career success. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. Her high emotional intelligence has been a key factor in her ability to connect with people, leading to her immense success. The good news is that emotional intelligence can be developed. Start with self-awareness by practicing mindfulness or keeping a journal to track your emotions and triggers. For self-regulation, try deep breathing exercises to manage stress in the moment. To boost motivation, cultivate a growth mindset and set clear, achievable goals. Improving empathy can be as simple as practicing active listening. Focus fully on what others are saying without interrupting. And finally, hone your social skills by learning effective communication techniques and how to resolve conflicts smoothly. High emotional intelligence can significantly enhance your life. It leads to better relationships because you understand and manage your emotions and those of others. This, in turn, improves mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. And in the workplace, those with high EI are often more effective leaders and collaborators, paving the way for career growth and success. There are several myths about emotional intelligence. One myth is that EI is just about being nice. In reality, it's about being aware and in control of your emotions. Another myth is that EI is innate and can't be developed, but as we've discussed, it's a skill you can grow. Lastly, some believe that a high IQ guarantees high EI. However, IQ and EI are distinct, and having one doesn't necessarily mean you have the other. Ready to boost your EI? Start with mindfulness meditation to become more aware of your emotions. Try reflective journaling to process your thoughts and feelings. Practice active listening to improve your empathy, and use empathy mapping to understand others' perspectives better. These exercises are simple but effective steps toward enhancing your emotional intelligence. To wrap up, emotional intelligence is crucial for personal and professional success. We've covered what EI is, why it matters, and how you can develop it through practical exercises. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. And be sure to download the free EI self-assessment tool linked in the description below. Remember, emotional intelligence is a skill you can develop. Start today and see the difference it makes in your life. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one area of EI you're going to work on? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and grab your worksheet with the transcript and vocabulary. See you next time.